Hello and welcome to Creating with Shannon. Today we're going to make these adorable tags out of some MDF tag board and the all-new North Pole & Co. Paint Inlay by IOD. So I'm going to cut out these deer. I already have my tags. They're already primed and ready to go. I use the Pentart acrylic primer. So I'm just going to quickly cut out these three little deer. And now I'm going to use the Decor Chalky Paints. I'm going to use khaki, which is the green, and then, of course, white, and then red. This is cardinal red. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give them a good star, and then I'm going to paint each tag with the corresponding color. I'm going to put enough paint on the tag that my paint inlay will go into the paint and release. So I put it on, and I'm just going to make sure I don't have any wrinkles, push it in with my finger, give it a little spritz. You can see the color change there. And then I'm going to do the same thing with the white. I'm going to put on a thick coat of white, equivalent to 2 coats of paint. Then I'm going to stick in this big buck right into this white paint, push my finger down, making sure the whole deer is in there, and I'm going to take my cloth and just push it in. Now a little bit of a spritz, and we have the deer in the paint. Okay, so next we're going on to the cardinal red, and this is such a gorgeous color. I'm going to put the last deer right in the paint, give it a spritz, and now we let them dry. Once they are dry, I'm going to re-spritz them, which I'm just using my mister bottle. What I'm doing is I'm activating the paint inlay again. I'm wetting the back of the inlay sheet so it will come off of the paint and leave it into the corresponding color, green, white, or red. You can see here they transferred beautifully. There's no need to wet the front and risk smearing it. You just simply follow these easy steps and you won't have any problems. So now before we decorate them, we're going to seal them. I'm choosing to use the Pentart Clear Solvent varnish, and I'm using the matte. So I'm going to just brush it on. You'll notice that, look, the paint inlay does not smear. You can brush it on. You can be as rough as you want. Because it's solvent based, it will not smear. So I'm going to paint this on, let it dry. Now, keep in mind the solvent base is smelly, but it's worth it. So now I'm going to grab the Winter Flurries stamp by IOD, and I'm going to use a little bit of the white ink by IOD, and I'm going to use my dauber. The dauber, I can select just certain snowflakes. I don't have to roll on everything, so just kind of daub really lightly. And if you have any remnants of the paint on the sheet, you can just take a baby wipe and you can just remove it, because what you don't want is you don't want that to go onto your deer. But keep in mind, we did seal it. So if there's any time we put, a snowflake here or there and we don't like it, guess what? We can just wipe it off. So now I'm going to put the IOD ink on different snowflakes and just put them sporadically over the rest of the tags. For the white tag, I will use the black IOD ink just because obviously the white is not going to show up very well on the white. So I'll just follow the same steps that I did. Take the dauber, put the ink on, and then put my snowflakes on the tag. And I don't know about you, but I think it's looking pretty cool. So after I do this, I'm going to have to decide how am I going to decorate them, because obviously they need more. So I'm going to grab some of my Umbra antique paste, and I'm going to run it around the edges of all 3 of these tags. It just helps the edges. I just love the way it looks, and it just dresses up each of these tags. So then after that, I'm going to grab my Tim Holtz holiday sticker pack, and I'm going to put them on the back side of some chipboard. They're meant to go together because they're the same size. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the sticker on, and then I'll just cut it down to size. And then, of course, got to use some antique paste to keep it in the same color scheme as the tags. So I like this Joy to the World one here on this deer. And then I have a Merry Christmas and a little bit of Umbra on here. And then, of course, I'm going to need to do one for the red. And for the red tag, I picked up the Song of Snowflakes. So I'm just going to put the Umbra on there. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use my hot glue. It's going to be faster for finishing this video. And I'm going to hot glue them all down and make sure they're in the right place. And because I can never use just one layer around my edges, I'm going to put some wax paste right on over the antique paste. It just adds another dimension. It just makes it look so much better. I just love the combination. Next, I'm just going to use these half circles. They're gold, and I'm going to put them in different places just to add a little bit more. But here is the final result. I added a little bit of ribbon, some greenery to the top. Each one is different, but I absolutely love the way they came out, especially for a tag. So let me know in the comments what you think about these tags. And do you think after watching this video that paint inlays are easy? Please let me know.